I have a lot planned to do this week, and I've been very busy for actually the past month. I've been working on this project that I cannot quite reveal to you yet. I'm very excited about it, but it's still in the works, and because that's all I've been working on, I don't really have a lot of things to show you in terms of vlog footage. So I thought that I would do another what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week during a very busy period to give you some quick and easy ideas for late weeknight meals, especially now that a lot of people are going back to school. Time is very limited. This smells so good. So delicious. I look like I'm getting ready to do a giant mukbang. I'm so exhausted. I already showered and I'm back in my PJs again. I forgot to make rice. was it called? Where was it? What is this? Cannot forget the best part. Every time I think of avocado toast, I always cringe internally a little because of the whole, you know, typical Cali LA girl eating her avo toast. I mean, stereotypes stem from truth sometimes. It's so good. And I'm a simple person. This pesto nearly $8. I paid for it in cash though, so it doesn't feel like I spent money. Whew.
It's so hot.
I know, it's in the hundreds or 99 or something.
It's 97 right now.
Thank you. They didn't give us the heart ones.
No, he said 2 glazed.
No, but the deal was it was supposed to be 1 normal glaze and then 1 heart glaze. That was the deal. That was fine. But I sent it to you, remember, and you're like, oh, the hearts are so cute.
Yeah, no, he said, he didn't say any heart. He just said it's 2 glazed. You were filming, but like he said 2 glazed per person. Was it pink or was it still regular?
No, it was just the glaze, but it was just in a heart shape. I sent you a picture of it, the screenshot. The way Krispy Kreme does their glazed donuts cannot be matched. Oh, okay, we're good. I feel like you probably often see me eating egg salad in sandwiches or wraps or on bread. And that's just because I do eat it a lot. I eat it without fail every week, but it's super easy if you just keep some hard-boiled eggs in the fridge to toss up a quick lunch when you're short on time. It's always super funny to me when I think about how I used to despise eggs. Pretty much my whole childhood, I had a strong hatred for eggs. I thought they were just disgusting. The smell, the taste, the texture. No matter how they were cooked, I was not a fan. And then for some reason, when I went off to college, scrambled eggs were one of the few things they actually had for breakfast in the dining hall available. Kind of against it at first, but somehow I found myself getting scrambled eggs with a side of sausage, bacon, whatever type of breakfast meat they were serving. So I was eating eggs pretty frequently for breakfast, and then somehow, I wouldn't say I developed a particular liking for it immediately, but I got used to the taste. And then now, I eat eggs with so many different things. I guess exposure therapy to a degree. Or is it that when you get older, you become less picky about what you eat? I'm curious if that is a common thing, so let me know if you've had a similar situation.